Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be creating a shabby chic card with random pieces. So I've got leftovers and odd pieces from my previous projects and the pieces which were in my drawers, for ages. So I thought it's a perfect occasion for to use them. And I'm sure you've got elements like that or similar at home, and you could create a similar card with me today. So I will be using very light papers, and all the elements are almost white. I thought it will be easier just to keep it simple in one color, and I hope you will enjoy the video. I'm going to put some music on for you so you can see how I created the whole composition, and I will talk to you later. My card is almost ready, and as usual the last step is to adding glitter. Today I'm adding only white glitter, uh, just to blend everything together. And I want to thank you very, very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I must say that I really like the card and I really enjoyed making it, and I think that I will create something like that more often. So if you are watching my videos and if you are inspired with them, please tag me on social media so I can visit you and I can comment. It is amazing for me to see what you create after watching my videos. It's just I am so grateful for that. It's just amazing. So thank you very, very much. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.